মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি আমি ক্লাছ 10ৰ আমাণ্ডা নামৰ পাঠটো আলোচনা কৰিম। এইটো আমি আজি ৰিডিং কৰিম। Don't bite your nails, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. Stop that slouching and sit up straight, Amanda. There is a language immorality where the sole inhabitant is me, a mermaid drifting blissfully. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? Did you tidy your room, Amanda? I thought I told you to clean your shoes, Amanda. I am an orphan, roaming the street. I pattern soft dust with my hushed bare feet. The silence is golden, the freedom is sweet. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your acne, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I am speaking to you, Amanda?